Welcome to Copy Plus. This video is to explain the email download link WordPress plugin. End of this page we have a download link for this plugin. Also in this page we have a live demo of this plugin. Also we have a live demo of this plugin. Also we have a shortcode information of this plugin. In the video description I will provide this link. First, download the plugin in using the download link. I already downloaded the plugin, so straight away I will go to installation process. Log into your dashboard. So from the dashboard, go to plugins, add new menu. Click upload plugin button. Select the zip file which you downloaded earlier. Click install now button. Now installation is going. Once plugin installed successfully, we will get the new button to activate the plugin. Activate the plugin. So once plugin activated, we will get the new menu in settings. We will get the new download link menu here. So here already in default this plugin give two record. So this is a PDF sample and this is image sample. So let's use this default record to see our demo. So this is a PDF file. So in case if we want to provide this PDF download link to the user, we just use this shortcode in the front end. So I copy the shortcode, go to post, I will paste the shortcode here, then I click update button. Now we have copied this shortcode in this post. Now we go to the front end. So in the front end we got the download link form. So in case if user if anybody want to download the PDF file, they have to fill the name, then their email address, then click send download link button. So they will get the message say download link sent successfully to your email address. So now they can go to their email inbox to get the download link. When they click the download link, the PDF will be downloaded automatically. To change this message, we can go to admin, go to download link settings menu. Here we have settings options. So in this we can using this menu we can change all the default texts. So the download history we can find in the history menu. So one request we have submitted, that is what we are seeing here. So this request is for this sample file. Then we have a security feature in the plugin like Google reCAPTCHA and bad word filtering and domain filtering, all the security option available in this plugin. Also in case if you want to create a new download link, use this add new button. So it will open the form, upload your file which you want to provide a download link. For example, it may be a PDF file or image file or zip file, whatever the file. You just upload the file here, then you give the title to your file, then you fill all this information, click submit button. Once you click submit button, you will get the new record in the here you will get the new record. So you copy the shortcode and use it in the front end. In case if you don't want to get the name from the user, you can set name field equal to no, so that name. Okay, let's see that one. I go to the same, change the name field to no, then I click save. Now I go to the front end, then I will reload the page. So here see, no name box is automatically disabled. Now we will get only email box. In case if you want to refresh the download link every day or different every week or every month, you can set this expiry to cron option. Right now default to never expiry. You can change this option to cron. Then you go to settings, go to cron details, then you change to WP cron daily refresh, so that the download link will be refreshed automatically on daily basis. In case if you want to use your own refresh option, you can choose this no to the WP cron, then you copy this link and use in your cPanel or plus to refresh the refresh the page in different interval, so that the download link will be refreshed automatically. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.